I've had students come from other schools to this school saying, man, I should have got here in the first place. In 3 weeks, you can come in as a novice or not knowing anything. And by the third day, they have an idea of how to back a truck, and they have some ideas of the fundamental of the engine of the truck. They have knowledge of the inside of the truck. And by the second week, you can take somebody who has no knowledge of truck driving, and they're almost ready to hit the road. Here at Florida Truck Driving, your rotation is 1 out of 5, 1 out of 9. So that puts you back in the truck every 15 to 18 minutes, meaning you get more driving time, more practice time, and then by that third week, they're ready.
My team and my instructor definitely was supportive so much, and they still are, still to this day. And they work with me, you know, they don't judge me that I don't understand things, and I love that about them. And especially my instructor, he's really patient with me, and you know, that goes a long way.
When these students test and graduate, it's very emotional. The students, I've had some run up and down and, you know, had to go catch them before they run in the interstate. They were so happy. So it's a moment of joy when they do graduate, and that's a great accomplishment for a lot of them. The special thing about Florida Truck Driving School is because all of us care, from Jill, Sean, John, Pam, all of us. And Florida Truck Driving, I recommend it for anybody and everybody.